Here they come back for a start finish line. Gonna get that fixed. One second.
Whoa, what was that?
There we go. Oh, that's good. There we go. All right, so Alan Holiday gonna lead him around, back number 1.
Oh my God.
Gonna fall out to that number 3 though is Joey Fisher now gonna take over that top spot. Jason Land in the number 2. Alan in the 3, Jason Davis in the 4. Josh Miss in the 5. So right now the battle for the race lead going through the Schumacher corner. Up to the mountain is Joey Fisher, Jason Land. Oh, Jason got a 2-wheel. Bicycling in the corner, gonna have to keep watching himself. So now Joey Fisher has the back door full of Alan Holiday. Joey in the PR racing truck out front. Alan Holiday in the number 2. They touch wheels in the air, able to hold on to it. Oh man. Oh well, it was an unfortunate break for Hollabaugh. And Joey Fisher, your race leader. Going to the Schumacher corner. Jason Land now up to the number 2. Oh no, looks like no steering on that one, Joey. No steering. Another unfortunate break there. Looks like C. Dobson. Joey Fisher out front. Red, green, and yellow. Going toward the mountain. Again, guys, friendly reminder, the FRCC banquet will be June 14th. June 14th in Plant City, just outside of Lakewood. That is for all 10-scale and 8-scale participants in last year's season. More details will be posted soon. But again, mark your calendars for June 14th, FRCC banquet in Plant City. Joey Fisher, Jason Land, 1 and 2, making their way to the Schumacher corner. So unfortunately, so far, we've already had one person DQ'd in their A-main run because they did not go to the tech. Where are we now? 2-0. Joey Fisher still out front, coming up on the backside of Sean Mann.
2 minutes left.
Jason Land in that number 2 spot. Jason Davis now trying to find his way down Mann. Oh, Davis on the wrong side of the pipe. Marshall himself, that's going to give Alan Holiday out of number 3. Davis now is a back door full of Josh Biss. Just under 130 left to go. Fisher still leading the way. He's got a 5.5 second lead up on the field. Great run here this weekend for Joey Fisher in that PR racing truck. Alan Holiday finds himself back up at that number 2 spot. This ran the hot lap of the race in 18.8. Jason Land in the number 3 spot. Jason in 4. Josh Miss 5. Patrick Center and the 6th, Brad Easton 7, Sean Mann 8. Looks like Steve Hollabaugh has rejoined the chat. Scored in that number 9 spot.
45 seconds left.
Clock is winding on down here. Joey Fisher looking to take the win here in A-main number 1, a 13.5 stadium truck.
Seconds left.
Take it. Yep.
Seconds left.
15 seconds left to go, guys. That is time, guys. Finish the lap you are on.
Sean Mann left. Jason Davis left. Steve Hollabaugh left.